go. Oh, we're starving for meaning, for an allegory, starving for connection. Are we starving for our story to change? Oh, to rearrange. Come together naturally, all the pieces cluster magically. They call it incoherent heterogeneity. Oh, impossible is easy if you want it to be. Self-organization, ancient intrinsic situation. Oh, we've all felt the cluster when we connect with one another. Oh, and order at the molecular level is reflected when we build a temple. Come together naturally, all the pieces cluster magically. Yeah, they call it coherent heterogeneity. Oh, impossible is easy if you want it to be. We find ourselves to the center, and then we work our way out. Exit the conventional story, see it from an angle beyond fear and doubt, and come together naturally. All the pieces, they cluster magically. Yeah, they call it coherent heterogeneity. Oh, impossible is easy if you want it to be. Oh, let's make impossible easy. It's up to you and me.